Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial on your favorite channel, Genius Junkie, where we turn you into design wizards using Canva. Today, we're diving into the world of brochures. Whether you need a brochure for your business, an event, or a personal project, I've got you covered. So, let's jump right in and learn how to design stunning brochures with Canva. Type brochure in the search bar and hit enter. Canva has a ton of brochure templates to choose from, perfect for any occasion. For this tutorial, I'll choose a trifold brochure template. Click on the one that catches your eye. Customizing the template. Here's where the fun begins. You can customize every aspect of this template. Start by changing the text. Click on any text box to edit. Let's change this headline to "Welcome to Genius Junkie" and update the body text with your own content. Remember, keeping your text clear and concise is key to a great brochure. Highlight your main points and use bullet points if necessary. Changing colors and images. Let's change the colors to match your brand. Click on any element and use the color palette to pick your desired colors. You can also upload your own brand colors if you have them. Now, let's update the images. Canva has a huge library of stock photos, or you can upload your own. Adding elements and finishing touches. Want to add more elements? Go to the Elements tab and search for icons, shapes, or illustrations that fit your theme. Drag and drop them into your design. Make sure everything is aligned and looks balanced. Finally, let's check everything over. Make sure all your text is readable, your images are high quality, and your layout looks professional. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download. Click on the Share button, then Download. Choose your preferred file type. PDF print is great for brochures, and hit Download. And there you have it. Your stunning brochure is ready to be printed or shared online. Easy, right? Canva makes the design process so simple and fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Genius Junkie, hit the bell icon for more design tips and tricks. Have any questions or ideas for future tutorials? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay creative.